Hi, I'm Little Crazy and welcome to my tech space. Okay, so today it's another episode of Gear App Challenge. And you know what? Let's get right into it. The ZV-E10 is a replacement for the ZV-1. Now the difference between the ZV-E10 and the ZV-1 is the ZV-E10 comes with interchangeable lens, but the ZV-1, the lens is mounted onto it so you cannot change it. That is the physical difference. You know what? Let's get right into the box, right? And yes, you know what I love to do? I always like to, open the box and take everything out and then we talk about it. But once you open the box, this is the first thing you're met with. A lot of manuals here. Yes, read that. Anyway, here is a camera. Let's put that on the side. And I like to take everything out of the box and we talk about it. There's nothing in here. That's everything. Yes. It comes with 3 power cords, for your region, whichever one supports your region. Fantastic. Sony, thanks for including 3. And a shoulder strap, for your camera. A USB Type-C to a USB Type-A. Here, okay, so this is the battery. Yeah, this is 1020 milliamp battery, just a single one it comes with. Yeah, this is your power brick. And then the dead cat mount for your hot shoe. There's a camera, right? Okay, so this is the kit lens that it comes with. This one is 1650mm lens. Let me take the kit lens out. The ZV-E10 has the same APS-C 24 megapixel sensor as the Sony a6600, but the a6600 costs twice as much as this ZV-E10. This is good. I mean you're getting the same sensor, but half the price. Yeah, that's fantastic. I love the flip screen background defocus button, which is here. Push that and automatically blur the background for you. It does that automatic for you, or you can just do it yourself manually. And product display button here. You point the product to the camera and bring that into focus, completely. Sony is calling this a vlogging camera, because the target market is vloggers. But the word vlogging is kind of like lost its vibe, so this is for creators, so Sony should just say it's made for creators. That's what it is, A headphone monitoring jack. That is fantastic. A headphone monitoring jack, HDMI, and then the USB Type-C. And here is your microphone. Oh man, your hot shoe mount here. You mount this thing over the microphone. When you're outside, it blocks the wind noise. Here is for the battery and then the SD card. The battery and then the SD card, to go right in there. Then you lock it right in place. This is everything that comes in the box. This is what you get when you get a ZV-E10. The camera, the shoulder strap, the dead cat hot shoe mount, the USB Type-C, 1020 milliamp battery, power brick, and also different power cable. I got a package deal, and the package deal that I got comes with the Sony Bluetooth grip. Okay, so in the box, three manuals, right? For the grip, Sony. Okay, here is a carry pouch, and it comes with a battery. Let's have a look at the grip, the Bluetooth grip. Okay, so you can also use it as a tripod. Okay, so it goes here because this is the mount. Screw it in here, and then boom, flip the screen here. Yeah, and then you vlog, what I'm saying? And then vlog. Look, Sony, unlock and then open. This is the place for the battery, and then you can start using that. Now, the reason why I'm not turning this on is because I don't have the battery charge for the camera. So when we're doing the review, yes, I will do that. The grip is definitely a very good accessory to get. If you're getting the ZV-E10, just get a bundle with a grip. This is beautiful. The package deal, the grip, the camera with a kit lens. Now, this was it was a very tough decision for me to make because I have to decide between the Sony ZV-E10 and Canon M50 Mark II. Now, the reason why I didn't go for the Mark II has to do with when you're shooting in 4K, the crop is very heavy on the Mark II compared to the ZV-E10. So to me, that was a deal breaker for me. So that's the reason why I went for the ZV-E10. When you get a ZV-E10, make sure you get one more thing: the Sigma 16 f1.4 lens. I say the ZV-E10 and the Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens is a match made in camera land, right? Okay, let's cut this open. lot of manual, right? Then, okay, wow, yes, here it is. This is beautiful. Yeah, Sigma lens for the Sony E mounts. You know, yeah, Sigma lens. You take off the cap, the kit lens that comes with it. Pop that one out. Mount the Sigma lens. There you go. Now you can vlog with this, huh? Yeah, there you go. Unboxing the Sony ZV-E10 with a Sigma lens. Match made in camera lane. Yeah, this is a beautiful lens. It's a 16mm lens, f1.4, you know, aperture. This is it right here. Yeah. So to me, this is the creator combo that, you know, you have to go for if you're a creator, you know. If you're a vlogger, you are a creator, you know. So yeah, you get the ZV-E10 with the kit lens that comes with, the Bluetooth grip, you get the battery, you know. It's great to, it will be good to get extra battery, the shoulder strap that it comes with, and then the Sigma 16mm lens. So yeah, this is everything you see right here. Today is the unboxing, showing you the entire package deal. I've been using my iPhone for recording all this time. So now the ZV-E10 is out. I mean, great features and all. I decided to get this one to replace my iPhone. So yes, from now on, this is what you're gonna be seeing me recording with. The review will be coming as you see me use the ZV-E10 with the Sigma lens. Thank you once again for joining me today on Quasi Tech Space and also on Gear Uptime. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, you know, click like and share, and I'll see you in the next episode. Charlie, me that's it.